Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We have run into a problem. What's up guys, Matt with BleepinJeep. In our last video we built this sketchy contraption to try to get the cab off of this FC. Is it gonna work? Today we're gonna find out. Let's do it. Alright, the moment of truth. Can we get it all the way down? And is it going to be enough to clear the motor, the engine, to be able to roll it out the back? It's all the weight is on this one side for some reason. It's like you got to go back and forth. Coming. It's coming out. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! We have run into a problem. I'm all the way down with the jack, but there's still a lot to go. So, let's resituate. We'll take that block of wood out. Oh no! It needs more. Alright, we're back at it. Check it out from the front there. You can kind of see how much separation we have there. Is it going to be enough though for the motor? I'll show you out back here in a minute. Doesn't look like there's going to be enough. So we might have to figure out how to get it even lower or get the cab even higher. There's not a lot of room up there though. Alright, I think that's down. Let's get this side down. Touchdown! Holy moly! Check that out. Oh, drive by. I just went to lean down and had this strange feeling like I was moving. That's an eerie sight right there. Can you see that? Alright, check this out. We're down on the dollies on the front, but back here, if I go level, that's about level right there. So we're not even clearing the head yet, and then we have all this other stuff here. Well, you can't really see in there much, but it needs about 6 inches. So we either have to take the dollies out or lift it higher, which I think maybe we ought to do both. I'll take the dollies out and we'll lift it higher. That way I don't have to lift so high. That scares me. That scares me. Check this out. While I was moving the dollies around, I found something interesting. So I've got this side on the jack stand. Actually, don't need that dolly. That tire's on the ground. Those brakes are on the ground. And somehow I managed to get it in 4-wheel drive by accident. And when you turn this tire, it's turning the drive shaft through the transfer case, turning the front wheels, which there's no wheels, it's sitting on the brakes, but now it's driving itself out as I turn this. How cool is that? Okay, so now I am just about to hit the distributor, and there's another bracket right there. So I either need to remove the distributor because it still needs to go up about 6 inches to clear 6 inches to clear the distributor, or I can remove it. So what should I do? Should I lift it or remove it? I think I'm going to see how sketchy it gets if I just start lifting the back end of this thing up like this. So I'll have to do a couple clicks here and then a couple clicks over there. Actually feels pretty light. How much clearance do I have? Oh yeah, that's looking good. We're almost there, so it's about right there. And I need that much more. Maybe I can start removing some spark plug wires. Give me that much more clearance. Oh, I didn't even think I could remove the cap. Just had that thought. Oh, I don't think that's been off in a while. Oh yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, that gives me a lot more room. Check that out. Shh, listen. That is a creepy noise if I ever heard one. Well, despite the creepiness, it's high enough, so let's have you go for a ride and see if we can get you out of here. Torque on this is amazing. I'm just barely turning the tire and it's driving this sucker out of there. Oh, we were so close. We were so close. Let's see if this comes off. Oh, yeah. How about that? All right, I'm free and clear for the most part, but there's always another issue. Look right there. I still haven't got rid of this stupid bed. So I'm backed up all the way to the bed. Can't go back any further. But other than that, it's out. It is out. Check that out. So that being said, I have a mint frame from a FC 170. Now this thing has no rust whatsoever. I mean, it's got some things welded to it that'll have to be cut off, but other than that, it's nice. I've got the F-head engine, the transmission, the transfer case. I don't remember what they are. Even the axles. Looks like 44s to me, but I don't know this old stuff. These wheels, I'd hate to let these wheels go, but the patina is so awesome on these things. Maybe somebody can use them. I don't really have a need for them. The gas tank's pretty much bad, but I have this bed. If anybody wants this, what did we say it was? An Apache, 5859 Apache. And I have some LJ fenders as of this recording and some other LJ parts, if you saw that previous video. I have a steering gearbox for an FC. I have another F-head over there. I have to get rid of some of this stuff, guys. Come help me out. I need to get my space back so I can work in here. I can't do anything. I mean, it's just packed in here. So, who wants some stuff? Make me an offer. If I can't get rid of it, I'm just gonna have to give it away. So, anything helps though. And tell me where this piece comes from, and where does this piece come from? In the previous video, I showed you this piece, and this piece, I don't know either. I think it probably goes on whoa, I think it probably goes up here. Maybe, but I'm not sure. All right, I got my shot back. I was able to sell that FC frame and get rid of the bed. I actually cut the bed apart and was able to sell 2 pieces of it for what I was asking for the whole thing. So I have room now almost. I still need to clean up, but I have room, and this thing is hanging. Check it out. It's kind of eerie that it's got nothing underneath it. You just kind of push on it, but it worked. It may be weird, but hey, it worked out. So now I need to get that red ZJ in here, finish building it for the Pull Apart Cheap Jeep Challenge, brought to you by Tecton Tools. And then I can start building on this thing, one project at a time. But I had to get that done so that I could free up the space back here to do some more working. So that's where we're at. I still have 2 pieces of that bed if anybody needs it. It's the rear left corner and the back, what would go up against the cab there. So I was on Facebook Marketplace again last night, as one does at 3 o'clock in the morning when you can't sleep like an idiot. It's always bad whenever you get on Facebook Marketplace at 3 a.m., right? But I've been considering how I'm going to make this bed for the FC. And my thought is to make my own custom bed. Not necessarily a flat bed, but very low sides. And I've been thinking about having a slide out. So on Facebook I found a slide out. It's an 8-foot slide out, which I think with the shortness of the cab is going to be right on, hopefully. If not, I'll customize it. But my thought is, if I have a slide out, not only will you be able to slide whatever's in the bed out, like if you have a cooler, or let's say we put some recovery gear, or whatever the case may be, racks, storage, kitchenette, or whatever. So that'll be cool. But also, if I'm making my own custom bed, I won't really need to make a floor to the bed, because the whole floor will be the slide out, right? So that's my plan. I'm on my way to pick this thing up. It's fairly cheap. They go for pretty good money, new. And this one is in good shape. It's $500. So let's go take a look. I kind of forgot to film any of that. I hate putting cameras in people's faces, but check this thing out. This is what I got. It's in pretty good shape. That is going to be the base to my truck bed. And then you pull this handle right here, and the whole thing slides out. I'm not sure exactly how far it slides out, but a lot of the length of that will slide out. And I don't know, will it be useful? Will it be a waste? I guess we'll find out. But I have ideas. It's kind of all in my head, and you guys can't see it. So if you think it looks bad or it's not gonna work, you don't know what I see. Now I'm kind of kicking myself for buying this so early, because I'm not anywhere ready to use it yet. So now I gotta find a place to store it for about 6 months. Thank you guys for hanging in there with me. Thank you for all your help. Oh, we're giving this thing away. So whenever it's finished, we're gonna give it away. So BleepinJeep.com/giveaway. You can either be a Patreon supporter, a YouTube paying member, or if you just want to send me a letter, you can do that too. We're building an Overlander. Some of you guys didn't catch that, but the theme was voted on, and it's going to be an Overlander. And if you didn't see the LJ video, I bought a frame and motor and transfer case and transmission of an LJ. So, I got wheels and tires off that I want to sell, because I'm not going to use those. But anyway, LJ frame and running gear going under this thing, and then we're gonna turn it into an Overlander. It's gonna be awesome. When I start off on the builds, people think, oh, that's gonna be a piece of crap, but then when I end up finishing them, because they all come together at the last minute, that's how builds go. So it is gonna be cool. You just gotta give me time. Give me time. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below. I don't care what you leave a comment about, but it really helps us out. And we'll see you in the next video.